I'm Jem Freiesleben, and in my spare time I'm a digital filmmaker and photographer, something which has been my passion since an early age. I hold a particular interest in ruins and abandoned buildings, whether fragments of faded industries or simply evidence of the temporary nature of human structures. Given time, the elements will conquer the stonework and return our endeavours to the ground. Industrial developments are often overlooked for preservation, with some rural areas losing so many traces of their industrial heritage. Some of these secluded places form my favourite subjects. The colours and patterns of decay are often fascinating, as is the sense of history these places can hold, along with a tinge of sadness for their abandonment. What circumstances brought about their demise and eventual ruin? Some places hold enough remnants of the past to provide a time warp of former decades, whilst other buildings, further decayed and bereft of belongings, remain the property of the wind and rain until such time as the last fallen stone is covered by the encroaching earth.